draft provincial resolution number 2025-09-054, entitled Resolution declaring the province of Ilocos Norte under a state of calamity due to Tropical Cyclone Nando. Mr. Chairman, Tropical Cyclone Nando wrought havoc in the province of Ilocos Norte last September 21 to 23, 2025, bringing torrential rains, severe winds, and floods that caused damages to properties, infrastructures, agriculture, crops, and fisheries, and destruction of means of livelihood and business in different areas in the province. The PDRMC, in its situational report, summary read Tropical Cyclone Nando as of 12 o'clock in the afternoon of September 29, 2025, has reported an estimated cost of loss and damages to agricultural lands and products, infrastructures, and other properties amounting to $190,153,560.61 pesos, Mr. Chair. Hence, there's a recommendation that the province be declared under a state of calamity. There's a need to request the national government, Mr. Chairman, through the National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council for additional assistance to declare the province of Ilocos Norte under a state of calamity due to Typhoon Nando, and that this declaration remain in effect for a period not exceeding 60 days. Hence, this draft provincial resolution, Mr. Chair. If there are no more serious objections, if there are if there are questions, Mr. Chairman, to this humble representation, again, let me remind everyone that our resiliency officer, provincial resiliency officer, Sir Marcel Tabie, is inside this office.